Hi, I'm Sean Davidson, a certified dōTERRA essential oil expert, and I love to teach people simple ways to use essential oils at home. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of my daily oil routine, just simple ways that I incorporate dōTERRA oils into my daily life. The first thing I do when I wake up is come downstairs and put on a diffuser, either with lemon, peppermint or any uplifting blend. Those oils really get the blood flowing, the oxygen to the brain, and they just help infuse an uplifting and positive atmosphere in the home. Then when I go to wash my face, after cleansing, I use Immortelle. It's a beautiful blend of skin supporting oils. There's rose, helichrysum, frankincense, sandalwood, lavender and myrrh. And these oils really help with the fine lines and the support that my face needs now that I'm getting older. So what I'll do is just paint it on the lines on my face where the wrinkles form, around the eyes, and then I put my moisturizer on top. When you rub your moisturizer in, it's going to spread that oil all over your face, and it will penetrate deeply and really get to work inside those tissues. The Immortelle is actually diluted in a ratio of 1:4. So although we buy it neat from dōTERRA, each bottle, each 10 ml roller will make 4 individual rollers, which will last you probably well over a year or so. Sometimes in the mornings, to mix it up, instead of the Immortelle, I'll use some of the other single skin supporting oils. The tea tree, I'll put a drop in my moisturizer if I feel like I need support with breakouts and oily skin. Frankincense is also an amazing oil to use in your moisturizer. You just need probably 1 drop for the whole tub, and then that will help with smoothing the fine lines and cellular repair and renewal. Or you can use lavender. Lavender is a beautiful oil for calming. Just as it calms the mind, it can also calm the skin. So any inflammation or redness, you can put a drop in your moisturizer of that as well. The next thing I'll do is get a big glass of water, and I'll put a drop of a citrus oil in it. At the moment I'm on tangerine, but you can use any of the dōTERRA citrus oils. Just 1 drop will be more than enough for this glass of water. And in fact, if I refill the glass without adding any more oil, I'll still taste the tangerine. Give it a quick stir. Make sure that you use a glass, not a plastic cup, and a metal straw. And then I keep it at hand to sip throughout the day. One of the oils I love to use every day is called ClaryCalm. It's a blend of all the female hormone supporting oils, the main constituent being clary sage. And this is very good for hormone support in your whole cycle. So you don't just use it at the times of the month that you feel you need it. You would use it every day, and it just helps to keep your hormones regulated, your mood stable, and basically your female hormones doing what they should be doing according to the time of the month. My daughters use it as well. They're teenagers. I'm going through menopause, but because it's supporting what the body should do naturally at every level, it's safe for any age to use. Then at night, I use this amazing oil for skin. It's called Yarrow Pom. It's a blend of yarrow and pomegranate oil, because it is found in the lab that pomegranate oil is the best carrier oil for this yarrow plant. Look at it. It's a beautiful blue color, and putting a drop in my moisturizer, I then rub it on my face. It's got the chamazoline from the distillation process that makes it blue, but don't worry, it quickly sinks into the skin and you won't have a blue face all night. It's great to support fine lines and basically the skin repair process. And it's also a great calm for the nervous system. So you can actually put a drop under your tongue as well and help regulate your nervous system. Then in the evening, I keep a roll of On Guard next to my bed, and as I swing my feet up, I will just rub the On Guard on the soles of my feet, and it will quickly penetrate and just boost my immunity while I'm sleeping. I love to use oils at night to help me sleep. My favorites at the moment are a roller of balance and serenity. I keep this literally next to my pillow so that if I wake up in the night, I can just grab it and rub it on. Then another oil that's amazing for sleep is vetiver. I will either diffuse these oils or just keep them in the rollers next to me, ready to grab. So those are some of the basic ways that I use essential oils in my daily life. There's plenty of ideas and inspiration on our hub, the Team app, where all the information on oils is stored and where you get access to the experience of a whole community of people using dōTERRA. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel and download my free guide to the answers to common questions on essential oils. The link is in the description below at the bottom. See you next time.